So I got a phone call today from my mum. My bees had swarmed out of the big hive, which I was going to do a split this weekend, and I weren't figured out how I was going to do it. I was going to do a tower knob split, but they decided to split themselves today, and they went in my swarm catch box. Well, some went in, some were on this hive, but the majority were in the swarm catch box. So now they're all on the march. The queen was found. I found the queen and put the queen in the new box, so they're going for it now. They've got their bombs in the air.